Okay, first client of the day with his Thruxton R. I have been doing this bike probably for the last 10 years. He sees me once a year just before the season starts. Realistically should see me twice a year, once after the season and once before the season. So anyways, we've got lots to do on this. This is in for one of our full Monty valets. Lots of corrosion setting in. Hasn't been cleaned in some time. He does use this daily. So time to work a little Trot magic. This is in for one of our legendary full Monty valets. We've got lots of corrosion to sort out, lots of polishing to do. We'll get a fresh coating of XCP on it. Yeah, let's get cracking. Wish me luck on this one. Okay, in the studio now, been thoroughly washed, degreased, decontaminated. Now time to crack on with a bit of detail, and loads of little nuts and bolts need some attention. No sense putting any corrosion protection on nuts and bolts that are already corroded. So let's get these polished up, get the other side done. We got a load of other nuts and bolts that need attending to. I'll put some paint on that ABS ring there, and then we'll crack on with some machine polishing on the motor. Oh, much better. It's these little differences. Trot valet, you're not going to get any better. There you go, another Trot full Monty in the books. Triumph Thruxton R, just been fully trotted. Just had one of our full Monty valets with extra polishing. All these engine cases, exhaust, all your little nuts and bolts like this that were rusty have all been attended to. Everything's had a nice fresh coating of the XCP clear coat. All your spokes have been meticulously cleaned. All these little rusty disc bolts have been attended to. What a transformation on this beast. Like I said, I've been doing this bike probably for the last 9-10 years. She comes up well. I think she's just got under 20,000 miles, but does live outside. So all weathers. Engine cases come up nice. Mirror polished up all the top yoke there. They deteriorate on these. Gas cap. Single stage polish on the side covers and all the bodywork. Chains all been serviced. Extra XCP on these sprocket nuts. ABS rings had a little paint on it. Unfortunately, these wheels have got a clear coat on them, so I can't polish those up. But managed to get all the carbon off the end of the exhaust. All done, just over 2 hours. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. Don't you think your bike deserves a little Trot love? Give us a call, 07966 249 963. If you've got a bike for sale, we are looking for stock. We can either sell it on your behalf, or we'll make you a cash offer. Or if you want to do it yourself, get it valeted first. It makes such a difference. Anyways, give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.